Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device and unlocking it because settings paths differ by platform. Once done, open Settings and go to Sound on Android or Music on iPhone. Make sure your battery is adequate and that you have any parental or device admin passcode available, since some limits require authentication. You're beginning the change now. Locate the volume limiter or media volume options. Then pause before adjusting so you know whether system-level or app-level limits control output. Next, navigate deeper to the limiter controls and understand what they do and why. A system limiter caps maximum output to protect hearing. App controls only affect that app. On iPhone, drag the volume limit slider or disable sound check. On Android, open Media Volume Limiter and move the slider or toggle it off. If a passcode or parental control prompt appears, enter it to confirm. Also inspect active apps and connected Bluetooth devices, because their own limits can override your system set. Finalize by testing audio across apps and headphones to ensure the new ceiling behaves as expected. Play music and a video at higher volumes and confirm there's no sudden cutoff. Once done, make sure to save or exit settings properly. If changes don't take effect, reboot the device and reopen the limiter controls to confirm. One troubleshooting tip: if limits persist, check for active parental or admin profiles and consider resetting sound settings rather than factory resetting. That often resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.